Welcome back to Kylie the Hedgehog's video channel, Hedgehog fans. We are gonna make some tacos today. I realized I have two more of my favorite kind of tortillas, and we're gonna make a taco. Okay, so we've got our sauce with the same ingredients: ketchup, mustard beads, horseradish. Yeah. Now we're going to use this butter knife, which isn't even sharp because it's used for spreading butter. I'm going to spread some on our tortilla bread. Okay. Get a nice good amount on there. Yeah, that looks good. We're gonna put it on top and here so we can make the taco stick a little bit, so all the toppings can stick. Okay, Hedgehog fans, we got the sauce on our taco. Okay. Now we're going to add some cabbage with vinegar. This is cabbage with vinegar and oil. I have to hold it. Next up, some corn, like we did yesterday, canned corn. Just a few olives if you want to. Okay, Hedgehog fans. Now we've got our taco. Kind of hard. A bit of corn fell out. Why did I have the bowl in the way? I need the plate in the way. I can taste the sauce, the olives, and corn, the cabbage. All of them so delicious. Yum. So good. Oh, but I forgot to taste of the cabbage, the vinegar, and oil. It's so good. Super. Hey, Hedgehog fans. For a drink, I'm going to use Nesquik strawberry flavored because I like the taste. I even drank some last night when I was talking with my grandparents. Okay, we got the Nesquik. Can you smell it, Hedgehog fans? It's pink too, but I can't show you that much. But look how pink that is. Ta-da!
This much?
Yeah.
Just
about that much.
Okay, let's stir.
Yeah, I'm gonna stir. Okay, so I have a mixture of chips and dip. Chips. These are a different kind, but I still have the same kind as we ate yesterday. Yummy. They're so good. Chips for dipping. And some milk with Nesquik. Would you like some hedgehog fans? Would you like some chips and dip? This is so good. Okay, hedgehog fans, would you like to try some chips and dip? This kind of chip? It's good. Would you like some plain chip, hedgehog fans? There you go. I hope you make this kind of taco too, hedgehog fans, and follow what you need, like the instructions of the chips and dip. And if you have Nesquik, or maybe you can just use regular milk. See you in the next video, hedgehog fans. Bye!